Instagram versus Pixel complete comparison. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a complete comparison between Instagram and Pixel to help you decide which one is better for you. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is Instagram is best for mainstream social media and influencer marketing. Over here, it offers advanced filters, direct messaging, and AI-driven content recommendations. However, it relies on ads and extensive data tracking. After that, let's talk about Pixelfed. Over here, it is privacy-focused, decentralized, and completely ad-free. It provides a chronological feed and full content ownership, but lacks direct monetization tools and advanced editing features. Then, let's go over which one to choose over here. Pick Instagram if you need a feature rich social media experience with influencer culture and brand engagement. Choose Pixel if you want a privacy friendly, ad free, and decentralized photo sharing platform. So that's the comparison between Instagram and Pixel. That's all for this video.